Then again, you know, a little, you know, me not like with Digicel. Why did Digicel contact me, you know? And Digicel said to me, Sashydel, you don't have to come in to us, you can pay the bill online. Nadia, being as me want the little ride file, me go round a back and a 2,500 me have me pin out the money on the line round a back there, you know. Cause them say me not have to come in, you know. Remember them no set it right in a them statement, you know. Them say I can pay the bill online. So me no go round a back and pin out the money round a back on the clothesline. When me come back, me no hand out like Digicel, don't take it. And I should have sued them for it, you know. I should have sued them for it, you know. Because you know what thing Digicel do me? Digicel tell me, say, let's go buy a phone. And them tell me, say, conditioner apply. GCE, how much TEC. Me say, all right. In order to take off some of that, I will apply my own conditioner to the phone. You don't have to apply for no conditioner. I will put my go down and talk about my own conditioner, you know.
Put shampoo too.
Real for love. In your fine style as always. Give it a pin for tonight, you know. Cause you always have a type them my opinion, you know. Come like get in a type, we don't know what to do.
Real work for you.
Stuff nice, the man. Real work for me a long time before the show start. I think I know Real send me video all kind of something. Long time. You worry about the wrong thing. Come around.
Sashi says she ready. Pick up yourself, Sashi, she ready. Nadia with the golden body. Wow. And a telephone.
Nadia,
Hey!
Here she is. Miss Sashydel herself, people.
That is a must.
She needs no introduction.
Nadia, so you don't want to smile, so.
Yeah, because you come for the lights, so I never smile. Eh? Well, late to them, I watch your video, them. And me, I say to the light. Eh? Wait, me not hear what you say, darling.
Down the live.
You come for it down the live. Me, I tell you.
Come for it down the live, you know.
Why, when you come in there, them for your page, say you nobody wanted again. Eh? Eh? Because them bury in house or something. Eh?
Yeah, come in now what kind of shoes that them bury me now. So them expect me for that.
Eh? What kind of thing that was?
No, where
yeah, me not on that. Them have to bury me good.
Share the live, people. Share the live.
Yes, mom.
Yeah, man, you have to tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend, you know.
Well, at this point, Sashi, I'm going to leave the floor for you. People have cut down the chatting and let Sashi go and talk. When you just go and knock around the life for me, please and thank you. Go and knock around the life for me. Steady up the life. Steady up the life for me, people.
No, watch it. You know what I mean, like? Let me tell you. You see me not like the people them when we say. Me I use the Wi-Fi and then I plan to pay the bill. Me not like them people there, you know. For you see me I use your Wi-Fi, you have to pay the bill. You don't feel reconnect, so.
A true thing, you know? A true thing.
Yeah, because all when them see a thief the Wi-Fi, them specially cut it off, you know. Them especially cut it off. Because they know why you're in night, you know.
A big thing, but we want to know where Peggy there too. Peggy, where you your money?
Come to think
In
of
fear you
it.
yet?
All I know, but come to think of it, you know what I mean, I like? Here again. What do you sit down front of my TV, you know? I used to when me sit down front of my TV, me are watching news. And me are going to hear the one Andrew going to make a phrase that say, we owe China 1.2 million. What do we? Me not even have a China visa. What do we? Me not even know where China there. What mean we? Watch your mind.
About that.
Somebody me what did you selling on at $30? Me figure them, you know. So me don't know who are the we. Me have to make him know say watch I see we is a French word, you know. And me never got China yet, so me don't know me what China, you know. I you who are China about I draw we night, you know. Cause we know Hindi, you know. And then again, watch this. Yes, one time me I go to school. I'm the brightest one in my class, you know. 41 away in the class and me come dead 41. 41 away and me come 41. You don't need no introduction that show you how bright me is. Because what you know, the teacher said to me, say, you know, if you find a synonym in the question, you know. Here how the question go now. Here how the question go. He does not like girls. What is he in the question? So she said, if you look for this synonym, but hold on the Nadia, if him not like girl, nice sentence, him not must be Batman. He must to be Batman.
Have to be.
So what you know, me circle Batman, you know. And she said, if you come out, because she not break it down to me. Find this synonym and then find him no like woman in a Batman. One way or the other, him is a Batman. But check this out again, you know. Me even not pause it, you know. One day I go up on a job interview, and somebody said they might give me a work, you know. You see me there for the job interview, and I fill out the form. Me see a little part down the line, mark 6, you know. So me say no. But them people are really out there, you know, like a prostitution farm, them are give me if you put out, you know. Me say no. Then down the line now, you know, me see male or female, me say but them people are really out there, you know. A man or a woman, them one with me asleep with. Don't for the next part now. Me go see it mark occupied. Me say occupied? What is? So me just put on the part your mark occupied, you know, me put a watcher. I'm just a downtown girl living an uptown life. Independent, you know. Because why is me put? Tell God Almighty truth. Now me occupy the mark.
Don't share the life. Don't share the life, people. People don't share the life.
I try to show you, me not like them. There's something there, you know. I'm going to tell you something. You see some of them people where you see. Some of them are going like say them not search them man phone, you know. Some of them act like they not search them man phone. So you know what happened to me now? Go in and see me man the phone him, you know. And when me go in at the phone, me see him have upstairs bird, downstairs bird. Who could be bird? Me say no man, but this a boy and be a bird a friend. And how him have a bird so? So me decide to ring the boy phone now, you know. If you find out a way store my name, me not know, you know. You see when me ring him phone? Now Angry Bird the drug store me as in the phone. No, Angry Bird the drug store me now, you know.
Trouble there. People share the life. Trouble there tonight.
Fun and joke aside, that Angry Bird the drug store me as you know. I don't know joke thing me I tell you, you know. But then again too, what do you go and run Robin, you know? I me tell you little idiot to and say, watch out. Buy 1 dozen Heineken come give me. Nadia, you don't know say the little don't scare 12 come.
How much do you want?
Epic. If I tell you to buy a dozen beer, all the hell you left and come back with 12. Me tell you say 12 if you go buy, me tell you bring a dozen. Me never send you go buy 12. If me didn't want 12, me write down 12. But if you come back with 12, let me tell you 1 dozen.
You say 1 dozen yourself and 1 dozen you want.
1 dozen, me tell them, you know. And you don't scare back 12. No. You see when time you go to school, as me tell you, no. I'm here the brightest one in my class. You don't have to ask. Just by
You know
how
that?
we sound intellect. You don't know what I mean. So what you know? The teacher said she have spellings bee, you know. And she said to me, Sashydel, what is the 4 seasons of the year? Come to think of it, you know, the 4 seasons of the year, you know, me think. They don't have purpose, black pepper, curry, and browning. What if you tell her? Oh, if you ask me what the 4 seasons of the year epic. They know that big deal. You cannot give what you cannot take, you know.
Tell me again there. Why 4 seasons a year again?
No curry and purpose, black pepper and meat season. You can't give what you can't take, you know.
People, me done with Sashi. Me done.
Don't give what you cannot take, you
Me
know.
black Sashi the after today. So after today, I should come over and let me black her.
No, you can't, no, you can't black me because when the teacher asks me, you know. Get what you know, fun and joke aside, you know, say a woman tell me, said, was spell Mississippi with one eye. Remember Mississippi, I want long word to spell with one eye, you know. So me cover one of me eye them, so I say, M-I-S-I-S-S-I, then a one eye that me spell Mississippi with. All can I done, come to, I remember, you know, you can't say that. I am a bright child. On the mathematics test, the teacher said to me, say, little Johnny has 86 candy. Listen, you know, and little Johnny ate 85. What does little Johnny have?
1.
Fun and joke aside, not have diabetes little Johnny have. When's you have?
Hey, Johnny, you have so much candy.
You get 87 candy and you need
People put the power on the live there. Money pull up now cost none. People, money pull up now cost none. Find the money emoji. Give me some money pull up on the live there, please, and thank you. No.
Talk to me. No, be honest. If Johnny have get them amount of candy there, 87 and in your more like 86.
Yeah, happy blood clot is diabetes to chew. You can't lie with that.
Talk, Nadia. If him more like that, tell it God Almighty truth. You can't ask me what does Johnny have left. Me and you know say little Johnny have diabetes left. He no have nothing left. He ain't got no teeth in our mouth left. You can't ask me that. You understand? You can't ask me that. Fun and joke aside, you know. Fun and joke aside. You have some people, you know. Some girl, when you see them, you hear them, but oh, me man see me and me man love me, you know. And me man love me can just put me upon him deeply and me want to tell them, baby, chill. Because even cockroach nowadays, they're on big and back, you know. So me don't understand. No, fun and joke aside, me don't understand. Cockroach them on big and back, la una ball say the man love you. Behave on yourself, man, level. Behave on yourself. And I got break it down a little bit smaller how me I break it down now, you know. You have some people, you know, epic, them borrow your money. And when time me lend them my money, you know. One man say me have a friend named Peggy. Peggy borrow me money one day, and me lend Peggy my money, you know.
So
Here I go now. You see when Peggy, watch her now. You see the one Peggy? 2 minutes after me see Peggy, I go post on social media say she wish she would have died. Die where? You mad? Before that I sent Jesus and his 40 angels them to cover Peggy. Before that I sent Jesus and his 40 angels them to cover Peggy. Peggy, I not lock. Not with my money. I said the blood of Jesus for head crumpet around Peggy. Peggy not dead so. Just when Peggy pay me my money, then Peggy can't always shut her eye. But you see if Peggy no pay me my money, I pray for God keep Peggy 40 days and 40 nights. I am praying for Peggy 40 days and 40 nights. Peggy not keep me money so. Me no run crackhead jokes so. Then again, you know, a little, you know, me not like with Digicel. Why did Digicel contact me, you know? And Digicel said to me, Sashydel, you don't have to come in to us, you can pay the bill online. Nadia, being as me want the little Ryle file, me go round a back on a 2,500 me have me pin out the money on the line round a back there, you know. Cause them say me know if you come in, you know. Remember them no set it right in a them statement, you know. Them say I can pay the bill online. So me no go round a back and pin out the money round a back on the clothesline. When me come back, me no hand out like Digicel, don't take it. And I should have sued them for it, you know. I should have sued them for it, you know. Because you know what thing Digicel do me? Digicel tell me, say, let's go buy a phone. And then tell me, say, conditioner apply. GCE, how much TEC. Me say, all right. In order to take off some of that, I will apply my own conditioner to the phone. You don't have to apply for no conditioner. I will put my go down and town go buy my own conditioner, you know.
Put shampoo too.
I go down and town and I buy my own conditioner because then say conditioner apply. So me say, all right, you when me go back into them, me tell them, say, watch, and me make sure get 2 conditioner, you know. So you take off phone and take off now, you don't have to apply no more condition. Me have it already.
You come with a condition now.
Digicel do me too much, you know.
Don't blame you.
And then again, you know, come to think of it, you know, Nadia. The teacher said to me one day, I said, watch you know. Sashydel, name 5 things that live on the sea. You say, all right, 5 things that live on the sea. It come to me, thought me say frog. She said, name the next 4. Me say, all right, the frog mother, the frog father, the frog uncle, and the frog cousin. They are the whole 5 of them name.
So like 5 to
Tell me,
me.
God Almighty truth, could you expect better? Name the whole 5 for them.
That's all like everything to me.
And not even that kill me, you know, what you know. Mem tell you what really mash me up, you know. You know the pastor people, them love come tell you about. Many are called. You ever heard them with it?
Yeah, man. You
Many
are chosen.
No, is who have the credit to call back. Not much of us have the credit to call back. I wonder if you get me. And no matter we have the credit so we cannot call back. You understand? I tell them I don't like it, you know. I don't like it. Don't come to me with it sometime when I know me not even have credit. Don't come to me with it.
Share the life to me. We can't get discussion today.
Well, me okay, manage me. I tell you what one I don't like when them do it. Many are calling them know me not no credit for call back. Tell the truth, man.
I can't manage.
What you
I
know?
can't manage.
When I know say me come here to read the news, you know, me not hesitate on reading the news. What you know? When I know the news me I read. One man was shot down and gunned down in Alfredshire and Portmore later today, this afternoon and last night, where he was pronounced dead and was treated and sent back at home. Now we're here in the weather, as you can see, where Ivan came the other day, where the fishes in the sea were drowned, where I tried was to reach the nearest police station. But the fish was pronounced dead and was treated and sent back on dry land. Now we're here with the live horse race.
Steady, what is it? My brother. Dear one, I'll steal one.
On your mark. Get your set. And now Fluxy Pussy is taking the lead for the back. Big Boss is going in. Where Stiffwood is at the back right there, do this running. And Fluxy Pussy keep running for the lead where Big Boss is going in. And Stiffwood is at the back running and then do this coming. But Fluxy Pussy keep running and Big Wood is running at the back. And y'all know. I don't have to say it. I don't have to say who win that race, you know. I don't have to tell them who win that race.
Show me.
Who
Show
knows
me.
that race was won by Fluxy Pussy? We don't have to give it up. Hear me now.
I got the pussy.
Hear me now. You know, say do. Me there in night church. I want my church sister them in there, you know. Me see Pansy a jump up and down, Pansy get baptized, you know. And see Pansy a jump up and down. And I said to Pansy, say Pansy, me couldn't touch her because she said she not the Holy Ghost. You don't know, say I want a Pansy eat up in her bottom. You see the take on me try to take out Pansy, the panty out of Pansy bottom. Pansy turn on and took me at the right eye, you know. So what you know? What you know? Me figure more than less the Pansy never like it. So you see the put me try to put it back in a Pansy bottom. Pansy not turn on and took me at the next left. Up to today, they don't go back in the church, you know. I don't go back, you know. Cause the last time I check, you know, let me tell you something. I go up make I talk to you. The last time I check, you know, let me tell you something. You see the foreigner them? You see sometimes because them they are foreigner with their Jamaica, them think I call them to make them something, you know. And we call them wouldn't answer, you know. And that happened to Pansy and me, you know. I call Pansy to tell her, say, Pansy, the two farm them where they have. And the house where they have, and the farm where they have, the whole of the chicken them dead have for your house, but no, where you going to live when you come here. And where you going to live. Because it's true when they send you 1 and 2 barrel, them feel like, say, you don't give nothing out of the bar, you don't give nothing out of the bar, and all the toilet paper, them stay in the bar, don't cartridge paper. You can't walk and ride by them and hands come take the barrel. So you understand them not answer your phone call. But you see if them did just answer me. When time me I call them, I could have call water commission for outer rose. But Peggy never answer me, so you know what Peggy get. Peggy got what the dog got. And the whole house burned down, so you know, I have nothing to do with Peggy. Because watch out. Peggy send me one Isiminasi perfume. Who know it? The Isiminasi there. The Isiminasi. Peggy send me a Isiminasi and think me to have it from now and ever. And I understand, say I pray. So Peggy act like say she have my secret. From she give me the one little Isiminasi. Peggy lie. What dear my auntie she called me and the first word come her mouth, you know, hear her to me. My niece, today my birthday and I want you to bless me cash up. Me say, auntie, what you say? Today your birthday, I want me bless your cash up? She say, yeah, me say, shut your eye. Shut your eye and hold on with me. And me say, Jesus. Regarding today, my auntie birthday, God, I pray, say, you bless her cash up today. I pray that you wrap your arms around me, auntie cash up.
I know.
You see and you know everything about me, auntie cash up. I pray that you wrap your arms around it and never let it go, Jesus. I pray that anything that doesn't belong in it, I pray that you bless others. So others can bless others, so they can also help me to bless that cash up. In no other name I pray. And that's how me done it. Right there, so me done it. Because she begged me bless the cash up. They no bless me bless the cash up.
Which is right.
What more could she ask for when she begged me to bless that cash up? And I bless it. Yeah? But listen this again, you know, I don't know, joke thing I tell you, you know, Nadia. Class one hand on the life. Now, Jesus, you take me favorite female artist, you know, Whitney Houston. You go back again, and you take me favorite singer, you know, Michael Jackson. You go again, and you take me favorite boxer, you know, Malal Medali. So God, Donald Trump one of my favorite president, you know. I wear my weapon. All of me favorite them him take. And him know him left me best favorite back. He no work so. He no work so. And then come to think of it, you know. You see my boyfriend? I pray to God so nobody no kill him in the lotto last night. You see my boyfriend? Me not give no much information about him, but he live a barbecue and the gate white. He live a barbecue in our White House, 32 at the address. Me not say nobody go kill him, but he keep the key under the mat. People dog in the yard, so me not go up there and kill them. Me not say nobody go kill him, you know. Me not even not give you no more information. Me know say the gate blue and the wall black. Who not kill him, yeah? He just win the lotto last night. I will not kill him. I beg you don't kill him, but watch you know. You know, say the teacher asked me, do I spelling bee me there? No, no. Spelling bee me there, you know, epic. And she said me to spell Colgate. All right, Colgate. 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 She couldn't ask you a better spelling than me.
Come on,
What is
try
going
again.
from? What them going at the pharmacy and them go let me dance, you know. Them ask me what is the name of the medication and I say antibiotic. You know the drunker them ask me to spell antibiotic no. Watch it now. Yes, when time me I spell the antibiotic.
Hello.
Watch it. Me I spell the antibiotic, you know, give them you know epic. Here it go. AUNTY. Nadia, I'm make up your face. Nobody make me look dunce, man. BUYER antibiotic. Read that tick now, you know. TICK antibiotic. You know, say people nobody give me more than pharmacy. They all there them accuse me of dunce. All there they accuse me of dunce. How dare they? And the last, watch out. Make I tell you something. You want to hear the joke? Listen this. You know, say me no like too much have foolish do. You don't understand it. Me no like it, you know, because watch you know. Yes, when the man them from Guyana, you know them the kind of Hanai man there. Them a call people, you know. And I said to you, say, baby, can you send me a picture of you in your brassiere? Me say, what you say? Can you send me a picture of you in your brassiere? All right, me no bother while. Me say, all right. Picture you want in my brassiere, picture you go get. Call me. You know, say me just go take off my brassiere and put on my passport size picture in it. And I sit give me and say, see you there. Then that you say you want a picture of me in my brassiere. Tell you God Almighty truth now. Where else me could have give? How are they? Me got the doctor turn on and tell me, say, if you watch me eat because my belly I get too big. So, how days now me no eat, you know, Nadia, because anytime the people and cook the food, me just watch it, so. I know me no eat, you know, because them say watch what me eat. So, every time the food shame, just watch what me eat. I don't think I watch it, so I know me no eat nothing. I know I don't eat a spoon of rice or a piece of flour because I have to go back to the doctor. They say, watch what me eat. I'm really watching what me eating. And then again, what they have see them have one juice, you know. Them have what me can't find dinner, so. Them have one juice. You know what the juice sell? It sell in an Empire supermarket. It come in a Spanish name. I never drink it yet. You look like you come from Dominican Republic now, so you will know it. It named Fabaloso. You know it? I want Loso. No care how I try to put that juice in the fridge. It have all kind of fragrance, you know. It have the butterfly fragrance on it, strawberry and grape. Me say no care how I try that juice and put in the freezer, I can't get it to freeze. That juice will never freeze. And then now me I try, you know. And me say me go make the mistake and drink it. God Almighty, me shit. Me I urge the public no buy it. If you don't see the juice and you have Fabalo soon no buy it. That is not a good juice them bring for the market. Do not buy it. Me urging to the public no buy it. You understand? Do not buy it. So you don't know, I said, drink people. Me come on here and give Africa Nadia strength. You don't know the settings. And your girl Sashydel, you know, step on a Sunday, 5 p.m. at Epic and Nadia TV. Them dead ma dead. Where you say them dead ma dead?
Dead ma dead. Oh my God.
Nice cream self, you know.
Bravo, bravo.
Yeah, I don't know.
Bravo. Oh my God. I just love you.
Oh God.
Right?
I mean, this is one of the best.
It was a pleasure, mommy. It was a pleasure.